Holy smokes. We are getting a heck of a storm. They said the winds would be 60 miles an hour, but I don't know if we've seen 60. A little bit to the north of us, they may be getting it, but we definitely seen in the 30s and 40s. It's not as steady, but it's big gusts. Yeah, this was moving from Tennessee in a southeasterly direction towards us. So Teleco planes got it before us, and then it's just coming our way um, up towards Violet and Unaka, North Carolina, up towards the western side of Cherokee County. What's wild is this wind is swirling around. They said their twister could pop up, but I haven't heard anything yet. Of course, we got the TV off, power flickered. I'm expecting it's going to go out like it usually does in these storms. We'll get these lulls kind of like this, and then it'll just howl again.